I got a package from HTV Ront. Can you guess what it is? Looky what we have. Sublimation Glass Tumblers. Let's open it up. All right, we're gonna take one out. All right, y'all, so let's see. So this is the box. Isn't it so cute? Let's open it up and see. We have the glass tumbler cups. It's actual glass. Doesn't it just sound good? All right, you just pull the top off. You can put it back on. It's the actual glass. 4 comes in the pack. It comes with the tumblers with the lid. It also comes with a straw and a cleaner for the straw. And you can sublimate on these. So y'all already know I'm gonna have to come up with a video to sublimate these. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. If you don't subscribe or follow me, make it happen.